Welcome back. We are now in step 13 to 12, uh, which we will focus on using the format painter. Go ahead and open up step 1312 from your lesson 13 data files. Alright, and we need to save this document as garden. Make sure you're saving to your lesson 13 folder. Alright, if necessary, turn on or toggle on your show hide to get those non-printing characters. And the first thing we'll do is format our first subheading. Now, this is our heading, and this is considered a subheading. So we're going to click on creating an attractive garden. We can triple click or drag and select. And we want our font to be Arial, 11 points, bold, and underline. So we've just applied several different formats. So now let's click on our Format Painter button. And notice that it's toggled on. And as I move my mouse across the screen, the I-beam has a paintbrush attached. Scroll down to your second subheading and double click on the word tips. Notice when you double click on the word tips, it applied that same format to that word. And now my Format Painter brush is no longer attached to my I-beam because I've used it. Click out to deselect the word tips. Alright, so let's go back up and select the subheading again. And this time we will double click on the Format Painter. Scroll back down to our second subheading and let's select the text and release. Now notice again it applied the same format to our subheading and I still have my paintbrush attached. And the reason is because when you double click on the Format Painter, you're asking for the Format Painter to continuously paint whatever format you want to paint by double click. So single click is one paint, double click is continuous painting. So let's scroll down, select our third subheading to apply the format. Now scroll back up and toggle off the Format Painter. Now select the first two paragraphs under your title, which this is two paragraphs, and justify the alignment of your text. So move up to your paragraph group, get the screen tip to figure out which one is justified. Here it is. We also want to change our line spacing to 1.5. So drop down on your line spacing, select 1.5, and format the font as Arial and change the point size to 10 points. Add space before the paragraph, and with the paragraph still selected, double click on your Format Painter. So now we will format paint this same format to our remaining paragraphs. So select and drop. just select this one and drop. And select this third paragraph and drop. Alright, so let's scroll up and notice that the format changes have been made on the document, and now that extends the document to 1.5 pages because we selected 1.5 spacing. Format Painter is a great way when you need to make random changes within the document. Say for example, if I wanted to highlight certain words, let me toggle off my Format Painter. I wanted to highlight random words within my document. I can select the word, highlight, go to my Highlight Painter, double click. Now, let's go back, try that again, double click, and then again I can just select random words within my document. Instead of selecting each word and clicking highlight, when I turn on that painter, it just allows me to paint within my document. So it's a nice little feature to use, productivity tool, and that's how you use the Format Painter. Toggle off, save your document, and I will see you on the next step.